Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are fit and fabulous. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful daisy flower chain bracelet at home. It's very simple and easy to make, and the design is very feminine and aesthetic, best for summer and spring. You can make this design according to your favorite color beads. I already posted a matching necklace video in my channel. The video link is given in the description box right below this video. If you wish, you can check this out. One request, please consider one like and subscribe just to show love and support. So let's check the material list for this bracelet. So we need some black seed beads size 11O, red beads 11O, yellow beads 11O, and jump ring. I'm using here magnetic closure. You can use any kind of closure according to your choice and availability. And then beading needle number 10. Beading thread 0.20 mm. I'm using here white color, but you can use black color too. Now let's make the bracelet. Here I take approximately 190 cm long thread for the 6 inch bracelet and leave 10 to 15 cm long thread for the tail. I'm using here stopper bead. It can be any color or size. Pass the needle twice to secure it. It will prevent my beadwork from slip off. From which country you watch this video, please let me know in the comment section. I'm very much excited to know about this. Now for the first step, I pick up 10 black seed beads 11O, 4 yellow beads 11O and 1 red bead 11O. Then drop it down to the end of the thread. I would love to remind you to like this video. Your one like cost you nothing, but it's really motivate me to make more videos for you. Now pass the needle through the fourth or the last yellow bead like this. Although you are watching me free in the YouTube, but please pay my fees. You can give food to the poor or feed street animals or birds or donate new clothes to the old age home or old people. This will be my fees. Thank you. Now pick up 3 yellow seed beads 11O. Now pass through the top 1 yellow bead like this. You can see our daisy flower is almost ready. You can check out my shorts videos also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making tutorials out there. Now pick up 7 black seed beads size 11O and drop it down to the end of the thread. Now pass the needle through the top 3 black beads like this. Make sure you don't include the stopper bead. So this way I just complete my first step. Now I'm going to make the second step. Pick up 1 black bead plus 4 yellow beads plus 1 red bead. Now pass the needle through the fourth or the last yellow bead like this. Now I pick up 3 yellow beads and pass the needle through the 1 yellow bead in the top. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle button in your YouTube settings anytime. Or you can tell me your favorite subtitle and I will put them. Thank you. You can see our second flower is ready. Now I pick up 7 black seed beads and drop it down to the end of the thread. For your convenience, I have listed the material's name in this description box and first pin comment. Please check this out. Now pass the needle through the 3 black seed beads like this. I'm counting from the last. So this way I complete the second step. You need to follow and repeat this second step to grow the bracelet. Now I pick up 1 black bead, 4 yellow seed beads and 1 red bead and drop it down. Now I'm passing my needle through the fourth or the last yellow bead like this. If you have any queries or suggestions regarding my videos, please feel free to ask me. I would love to answer them. Then pick up 3 yellow beads and pass through the top 1 yellow bead like this. Now pick up 7 black seed beads and pass through the top 3 black beads like this. If you love this design, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. For more information, please check the description box and drop your valuable opinion in the comment section. Now I pick up 1 black, 4 yellow and 1 red bead. Now pass the needle through the 4th number or the last number yellow bead. Now I pick up 3 yellow beads and pass through the top 1 yellow bead like this. Now pick up 7 black seed beads and step down through the last 3 black beads. It's very simple and easy. You just need to repeat and continue this step until you reach your desired length. Simply keep repeating the step to grow the bracelet. As you can see, I just completed mine. Now I'm going to finish it. Pick up 7 black beads and drop it down and then pass through the any middle bead like this. Now I pick up 5 black seed beads 11 and then pass through the previous 1 black bead where your thread is coming out. Now pass through this way. You can check out my shorts videos also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making tutorials out there. If you love this design, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. For more information, please check the description box and drop your valuable opinion in the comment section. Now secure the end with couple knots here and then cut off the extra tail thread. In the same way, we need to finish another side like this. So now I'm going to remove the stopper bead and then attach a needle in this side. Pick up 7 black seed beads 11 and pass through any black seed beads in the middle. Then pick up 5 black bead and pass through the previous black bead in the middle where your thread is coming out. Now secure the end with couple knots here and then cut off the extra tail thread. Now open the jump ring and attach it with the closure loop and then attach the clasp and then close the jump ring and then make the another side like this. Hope you understand my tutorial well. If yes, then please hit the like and subscribe button. If you want to donate me, please hit the thanks button. It will motivate me to make more videos for you. I love you so much guys. I will see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.